Mastering any language. Welcome to the English Tales channel. In this video, we're diving into the secrets of mastering any language. What does it mean to truly learn a language? For some, it's about being able to greet someone and engage in basic conversation. For others, it's the ambition to speak so fluently that they are indistinguishable from native speakers. This is a noble goal, and I commend those who pursue it. However, for most people, the aim is to achieve conversational fluency. Conversational fluency is the ability to have smooth, flowing conversations with native speakers. This includes understanding and participating in conversations, watching TV without subtitles, sharing jokes, and connecting with others on a deeper level. It's important to note that fluency does not mean perfection. At this stage, you might still make grammatical errors or hesitate occasionally, but what's crucial is the ability to connect and communicate effectively. My language learning journey. I've spent the last decade learning 7 different languages. Through this journey, I've developed a method I call the new method, which has evolved significantly over time. This method is structured into 4 levels, each designed to help you progress from a complete beginner to an advanced speaker. The new method, a step-by-step approach. Initial phase, building a foundation. The first phase of learning a language is all about immersion and familiarization. This involves using language programs that introduce you to the basics in a gentle and manageable way. You'll want to start by using resources like audio courses or beginner textbooks that can provide a soft introduction to the language, making it easier for you to grasp the basics without feeling overwhelmed. At the same time, it's beneficial to start building your vocabulary. Focus on learning the most common words in your target language. Writing down a few new words each day and reviewing them regularly will help you build a strong vocabulary foundation. Consistent practice. Key to retention. To retain what you've learned, consistent practice is crucial. Tools like Engease, which use spaced repetition systems, can help reinforce your vocabulary. By regularly reviewing the words you've learned, you'll ensure they stick in your memory. Engaging with the language. To keep your motivation high, engage with the language in fun and enjoyable ways. This might include watching TV shows, listening to music, or consuming other forms of media in your target language. Initially, you can use English subtitles, but as you progress, try switching to subtitles in the target language to enhance your understanding and immersion. Advancing your skills. Once you've built a solid foundation, start exploring more advanced resources. This might include easy reading materials like graded readers or webtoons. Reading helps expand your vocabulary and improves your understanding of the language in context. Understanding grammar is also essential. Look for resources that can help you grasp the basics of grammar, whether through YouTube tutorials, grammar guides, or courses. A good grasp of grammar will significantly improve your language skills. Achieving conversational fluency. To reach conversational fluency, you need to practice speaking regularly. Engage in conversations with native speakers through language exchange platforms or find a language tutor. Speaking practice is essential to developing fluency. As you become more comfortable, try watching TV shows or movies in your target language without subtitles. This will challenge your listening skills and help you pick up new vocabulary and expressions. The journey to mastery. Reaching conversational fluency is a significant milestone in your language learning journey. Once you achieve this, the language will stay with you for life. You can then choose to further refine your skills or even start learning a new language. The new method course is my most comprehensive work yet, designed to be customizable to fit different learning styles. It's the ultimate resource for anyone serious about mastering a new language. For more insightful content, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.